Hey guys! So today we're going to be doing a bit of an extreme makeup look. I want to focus on feathered brows and a graphic liner. So I'm just going to go ahead and do like my everyday foundation and face routine. I do concealer, blend that out, and then I do some powder to set that just around my eyes and my T-zone. We're going to be using the Milk Makeup Stick Blush, and we're going to be putting that on really heavy, and we're going to blend that out. And then of course we can't forget our nose, and then we're going to be using the Hoola bronzer just to contour a bit and to warm up the face. And then we're going to be taking the Benefit High Beam and putting that on our high points just to highlight our cheekbones and our nose. And I'm going to be concealing the end of my brows so I can draw on a new brow shape. And I'm going to be using the Benefit Brow Pencil to do that. And I'm going really straight and high just for that really kind of fishtail look to the brow that's kind of trending right now. And then I'm just going to touch up the ends with some concealer to see how concealed I can get that. And then we're just going to be putting that same bronzer on our lid. And then I'm going to be using an e.l.f. eyeliner to kind of map out the graphic liner that I want. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Felt Tip liner to just fill that all in and make it really crisp and black. And this is something I don't normally do. I kind of stick to a basic, either a wing or just mascara, but I'm gonna extend my inner corner as well to kind of get that cat eye effect. And then I try to get that second eye as best as I could to the first. Then I'm just gonna curl my lashes, put on some Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Then I'm finishing off with a Wet n Wild, just a clear gloss. Then taking my hair down, fixing my bangs, and voila! I feel like a rock star with this look. I would definitely go out in public and rock it and feel so confident. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.